Hello guys and welcome to another exciting time on today's content. It's really been a while I've been with you guys, but today I'm here to feed you all with a fresh new idea how to make use of your camera creatively outdoor.
He decided, my nigga.
That's what's up. See you
See you.
on the next scene. Okay guys, we're out here for the first scene of the shoot. I'll be shooting in this environment exactly where you can see those lighting, so we'll be creating something out of that straight line and giving you a nice outdoor street style photograph. So look out as we get going.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
We concluded with the back view. Nice pictures you actually see, but it's quite dark here, yeah, because we're outside and we came out a little bit too late. We'll get to see all that we have been able to achieve this evening right here. So keep it locked and keep watching. Welcome where I edit all my pictures, and I'll be editing the street style photographs we took earlier on this evening for you to see the edited version with the help of our software. So look out for these pictures.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I'm encouraging everyone out there that's feeling not motivated. You should actually take out time to enhance your craft, see what you can do. Even though you feel unmotivated, you could actually inspire yourself by watching other people's content, and you could get an idea of what you could do and the value you could bring to the society with your craft. That's all I have for today for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and I encourage you to be your best and do your best. Alright, don't forget to comment on this video and click the notification button and the like button also. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe as I keep bringing you content for your photography and entrepreneurial strides. Bye for now and see you next time.